Now the question is asking what is the value of this particular integral? Nothing to do. What you have to do, you have to split like this. So sine cube x divided by sine squared x into cos squared x, right? Cos squared x dx plus integral cos cube x divided by sine squared x into cos squared x, right? Dx. So what is this answer that we get? I is equal to integral of sine x divided by what is it? Divided by cos squared x times dx plus integration of cos x divided by sine squared x times dx, correct? So I is equal to, I can write sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x, 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x times dx plus integration of cot x into what is it? Cosecant x times dx. So what is the integration that we get? Secant x into tan x is nothing but secant x. Cosecant x into cot x is nothing but minus cosecant x plus c will be the required answer to the given question.